Are you planning to build raised garden beds but feeling overwhelmed by all the wood options available? Choosing the right wood for your garden beds is crucial for both the longevity of your investment and the health of your plants. Today, we're breaking down the 7 best types of wood for garden beds, covering everything from budget-friendly options to premium choices that will last for decades. Whether you're a beginner gardener or looking to upgrade your existing beds, this guide will help you make the perfect choice for your specific needs and budget. Make sure to check the description below for detailed links to all the products and resources mentioned in this video. Number 1. Cedar Wood. Cedar takes the crown as the ultimate choice for garden beds, and there's good reason why experienced gardeners swear by it. This naturally rot-resistant wood contains oils that repel insects and prevent decay, making it incredibly durable in outdoor conditions. Western red cedar is particularly popular because it can last anywhere from 15 to 20 years without any treatment or maintenance. The natural oils in cedar create a barrier against moisture, which is essential when your garden beds are constantly exposed to watering and weather. Cedar also has excellent insulation properties, helping to regulate soil temperature throughout the growing season. While cedar does come with a higher upfront cost, typically ranging from $3 to $5 per linear foot, the long-term value is exceptional. You won't need to replace cedar beds for decades, and they maintain their attractive appearance with minimal weathering. Cedar is also completely safe for growing edibles, as it doesn't leach any harmful chemicals into the soil. The wood is lightweight yet strong, making it easy to work with during construction, while providing excellent structural integrity for your garden beds. Number 2. Redwood. Redwood stands as another premium option that rivals cedar in terms of durability and natural resistance. This beautiful wood naturally resists rot, decay, and insect damage thanks to its high tannin content and natural preservatives. Redwood can easily last 20 to 30 years in garden bed applications, making it an excellent long-term investment. The wood has a distinctive reddish color that weathers to an attractive silver gray over time, adding visual appeal to your garden space. Redwood is naturally stable, meaning it won't warp or crack as dramatically as other woods when exposed to moisture and temperature changes. This stability is particularly important for garden beds that need to maintain their shape and structural integrity over many seasons. The wood is also naturally fire-resistant, which can be an important consideration in certain climates. Like cedar, redwood is completely safe for growing vegetables and herbs, as it doesn't contain any toxic compounds that could leach into the soil. The main drawback of redwood is availability and cost, as it's primarily sourced from the Pacific Northwest and can be more expensive than other options, typically ranging from $4 to $7 per linear foot, depending on grade and availability. Number 3. Black Locust. Black Locust is often called the best-kept secret in the gardening world, offering exceptional durability at a more reasonable price point than cedar or redwood. This hardwood is incredibly dense and naturally resistant to rot and insects, with some black locust fence posts lasting over 50 years in ground contact. For garden beds, black locust can easily provide 20 to 30 years of service life. The wood is naturally harder than most other options, which means it maintains its structural integrity even under heavy soil loads and constant moisture exposure. Black locust is also a sustainable choice, as it's a fast-growing tree that's often considered invasive in many regions, making harvesting environmentally beneficial. The wood has a distinctive grain pattern and weathers to an attractive gray color over time. One unique advantage of black locust is its incredible strength-to-weight ratio, allowing you to build taller garden beds without concerns about structural failure. The wood is completely safe for edible gardens and doesn't require any chemical treatments. The main challenge with black locust is availability, as it's not carried by most major retailers and often needs to be sourced from specialty lumber yards or directly from sawmills. Pricing typically ranges from $2 to $4 per linear foot when you can find it. Number 4. Douglas Fir. Douglas fir represents an excellent middle ground option that balances affordability with reasonable durability. This softwood is widely available at most lumber yards and home improvement stores, making it one of the most accessible options for garden bed construction. When properly maintained, Douglas fir can last 8 to 12 years in garden bed applications. The wood has good structural strength and is easy to work with using standard carpentry tools. Douglas fir takes stain and sealers well, which can significantly extend its lifespan if you're willing to perform periodic maintenance. The wood is naturally attractive with a straight grain pattern and light color that complements most garden designs. One of the biggest advantages of Douglas fir is cost, typically ranging from $1 to $3 per linear foot depending on grade and dimensions. This makes it an excellent choice for gardeners on a budget or those who want to build larger garden bed systems without a massive investment. Douglas fir is also readily available in various dimensions, making it easy to find the exact sizes you need for your project. The wood is safe for growing edibles, though it will require replacement sooner than premium options like cedar or redwood. For gardeners who enjoy weekend projects and don't mind periodic maintenance, Douglas fir offers excellent value. Number 5. Hemlock. Hemlock is another budget-friendly softwood option that's widely available and easy to work with. This wood offers decent durability for garden beds, typically lasting 6 to 10 years, depending on local climate conditions and maintenance. Hemlock has a light color and straight grain that looks attractive in garden settings, and it accepts stains and finishes well if you want to customize the appearance. The wood is naturally lightweight, making it easy to handle during construction and allowing for easy modification or relocation of garden beds if needed. Hemlock is generally less expensive than Douglas fir, typically costing between $1 and $2 per linear foot, making it one of the most budget-friendly options available. The wood cuts and joints easily with standard tools, making it accessible for beginning woodworkers. Hemlock is safe for growing vegetables and herbs as it doesn't contain harmful chemicals or compounds. One consideration with hemlock is that it's softer than many other options, which means it may be more prone to denting or damage from garden tools. The wood also has a tendency to absorb water readily, which can lead to faster deterioration if not properly maintained. For gardeners who want to get started with raised beds on a tight budget and don't mind replacing them in several years, hemlock offers excellent initial value. Number 6. Pressure-treated pine. Pressure-treated pine is a solid choice for garden beds, if used thoughtfully. Today's versions are much safer than the old chemically treated lumber as they now rely on copper-based preservatives instead of chromated copper arsenate. That means it's generally safe for garden use, especially when the wood is labeled for ground contact and residential applications. This type of wood is tough, resisting rot, decay, and insect damage even in wet conditions. You can expect it to last 12 to 20 years in garden settings. It's also affordable, typically ranging from $2 to $4 per linear foot, and it holds its shape and strength well over time. Still, there are some safety concerns. Many gardeners avoid pressure-treated pine for beds growing edible plants, especially root crops that touch the soil. If you do go this route, line the inside of the bed with heavy-duty plastic sheeting to help keep chemicals away from your soil. Overall, pressure-treated pine works best in ornamental gardens or for flowers and non-edible plants, where its durability really shines without raising food safety concerns. Number 7. Composite materials. Composite materials may not be real wood, but they've become a popular modern alternative for garden beds, and for good reason. Made from a blend of recycled plastic and wood fibers, these boards are designed to mimic the look of wood while offering impressive durability and little to no maintenance. Composite garden beds can last 20 to 30 years or more without rotting, warping, or needing any treatment. They're also completely safe for growing edibles since they don't leach harmful chemicals into the soil. Available in a wide range of colors and wood-like textures, they let you match the style you want with long-term performance you'll appreciate. Another major plus? They're consistent. Unlike natural wood, composite boards don't have knots, splits, or warps, making them easier to work with. Though lightweight, they may require special cutting tools for clean, smooth edges. They're also eco-friendly, crafted from recycled materials and requiring no tree harvesting. The only downside is cost. Composite materials typically range from $5 to $10 per linear foot. Still, when you consider their longevity and low upkeep, they're a smart investment for gardeners looking for a reliable, low-maintenance, long-lasting solution. Choosing the right wood for your garden beds doesn't have to be complicated when you understand the key factors of durability, cost, and safety. Whether you go with premium options like cedar and redwood for maximum longevity, or budget-friendly choices like Hemlock and Douglas fir for immediate affordability. The most important thing is to get started and begin growing. Remember that even the most budget-friendly option will give you years of gardening enjoyment and can always be upgraded later as your garden evolves. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical gardening advice and check out our other videos on building and maintaining raised garden beds. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest gardening tips and tricks.